number 10.
Don't discount some idiot putting Stafford there. I think it should be Goff. I think it's going to be Stafford.
You're right, RJ Choppy.
What? Stafford?
Yep.
He has no arm.
Exactly. That's my point.
Jake DeGrom could throw better than him right now.
The expert opinions. Personnel man. Arm looks good as it ever has. Man, one of my buddies.
That's so funny to give Choppy emphysema.
One of my buddies over the weekend is like, how much does RJ smoke? I was like, he doesn't smoke anymore. He goes, but that laugh.
I haven't smoked in 2 years.
That laugh.
I do feel better.
Good.
It's getting better.